Welcome. In this section, we would discuss the 21st November paper analysis for your NTA NET. Now, as always, the paper had been very similar. The things are, over the years, we have seen changing trend with difficulty level getting higher across the question. So, you need to have greater in-depth understanding. If you are superficially covering the past year papers, that itself won't suffice. So, what is required is understanding the concepts clearly, specifically pertaining to two sections. One is research and other is teaching. Now, what kind of questions came this time? Some of the questions which came from contemporary section was National Education Policy 2020. We have covered this across 6 different lectures, so becomes important. In higher education, there were questions related to Vedic education. There were questions related to various commissions, Kothari Commission and others, to be arranged in chronological order. So the order of various educational commissions post independence become important. Then coming on to the section on environment, we would come on to research and teaching later. Coming on to the section on environment, there were questions about major pollutants. Then questions related to various conventions, specifically pertaining to commissions related to climate change. Coming on to the next section, which is maths and aptitude, questions from profit loss. Simple interest question was there as always, so either simple interest, compound interest. Then there were questions on coding, decoding, questions related to direction. So either there are questions on direction or there are on blood relations, as always we have been mentioning. Now these were the questions that require practice. From data interpretation, you had questions when the candidates, how many candidates appeared for an examination, how many candidates qualified for the examination, and then you had to find out the ratio of appeared to qualified or qualified to appeared and so on. Coming on to the section on communication, the questions were relatively statement based questions, and this mainly pertained to topics related to cultural diversity, cultural concepts. Also there were questions pertaining to various Indian philosophical questions, Indian logic, where sound is eternal. Now, relation of sound is eternal to the fallacies related to the Western philosophy, which we have covered in detail in our doubt resolution sessions. Now, these are some of the topics which were covered. Besides this, the questions related to Hetu, questions related to the various schools, the Hetvabhas question are the common questions from Indian logic. One question from square of opposition as always, but the question and the type becomes difficult and higher level of understanding is required, not superficial levels which you have been doing till 2017-18. The next question was from communication pertaining to language and paralanguage. So the concept of paralanguage was asked this time. Similarly, we had questions pertaining to ethics and research. Now in research, empirico-inductive research was one of the questions. These are the commonly asked kind of questions from research. The steps in research methodology, questions pertaining to the concepts of research dimensions are asked. From teaching, Bloom's taxonomy, always important. This time again, this was one of the topics. Vygotsky's theory, again an important topic. The developments and the psychological implications under teaching. Questions related to reflective level of teaching. We had questions related to ethnography. So these are some of the topics that were touched from the section on teaching and research aptitude. As we mentioned, questions related to research, questions related to teaching, over the years the level of difficulty and the in-depth knowledge has been increasing. Most of the questions from this section pertain to statement problems and assertion reason. So that was about the discussion for this. Now here we have the complete list of various subjects which are available for discussion. You can find the questions, model solutions and the mock papers here, and here you have all the free resources. So all the past year papers are available here for free on Examrace. You can just go on to the related links, and for the postal course, this is the link that you need to check. So this was about 21st November paper discussion. As I always say, no need to go for all the paper analysis. If you have gone through one or two paper analysis, you would get an idea what kind of questions are asked. More or less the things remain the same. The most important thing is practice and practice. The more you practice, the more you study, and for research specifically, more in-depth knowledge, the better it is. The level of questions are getting difficult, specifically pertaining to teaching and research, as we have seen over the years. So that was for today. We would be covering many more interesting topics for you. Already check out the playlist for Net Paper 1, specifically pertaining to the areas where you feel you are weak and you need more guidance. So check out that related playlist for more details. We would be more than happy to help you with all possible ways. In case you have any questions or doubts, feel free to post those in the comment section below. Wish you a very good luck for your preparation.